Hi, and welcome to the replay. Now it's my time. It is my time. Hubby had his time, which was super fun. And now I am making a super quick video. And I have to say, why I'm super excited about doing this one is I am on the hunt for 200 videos that I've done for Chalk Couture. Hi Jennifer, hi Heidi, hi Tanya. 200 Chalk Couture videos. I counted up on my page tonight and I was like, oh my goodness. Hi April, hi Angela, hi Tanya. Hi Tom, hello Angela. I hope you guys had a chance to watch Big Brand's live that he did. That was super fun. But now we're going to do something different. So, hi Ashley, how are you? I am not going to be wasting a lot of time to get this done tonight, guys. Hi Jan. I'm going to kind of like jump right on in. I'm going to be using 2 transfers tonight. Hi Sue, hi Carol, hi Jan. I'm going to be using Geo Dog and Geo Cat. I have actually used almost every one of my transfers in my collection, which I think is so fun. I'm so excited about that. Hi Carol, hi Sue, hi Jean. Hello, hello. How are you? As you guys are coming in, please, bottom left-hand side of your mobile device is a share button. I would love it if you'd click it. Oh, wait a second. There's paw prints on this one. You know what? I'm not going to use GeoCat then. I'll save that for another night. So GeoCat still remains unused. But I'm going to use Geo Dog, and I'm going to do the little paw prints around this metal dish that I got. So I thought this would be very fun, and because it's metal, I can put it in the oven to bake it. Hi, Sue. Hi, Sue Pardo. I miss you. Hi, Carrie. Hi, Karen. Hi, Danielle. Thanks for joining, guys. Hi, Yvette. Hi, Heather. As you guys are coming in, bottom left-hand side of your mobile device is a share button. I'd love it if you'd share. Hi, Heather. Hi, Terry. Hi, Sylvia. Okay, so I'm going to be using the gorgeous Midnight Sky Couture Ink. I was going to use black, but I was like, hey, I'm tired of using black. Hi, Bren. So I'm going to use, let's see if this actually might be too big. You know what? We are going to have to use the GeoCat paw print, the GeoCat paw prints because these are too big. So you know what? We can't use Geo Dog at all. So okay, good. I am officially using a transfer. But yeah, so this is super fun. Hi, Yvette. I am so excited. I can't believe it. After this video, I only have 5 more videos left to make to have 200 Chalk Couture videos on YouTube. How fun is that? I'm so excited. I'll have to do a big live then. It'll have to be like a super awesome project. Hi, Kathleen. Hi, Leah. Hi, Lovey. Hi, Barb. Yeah, there we go. These are going to fit for sure. Okay, cool. So, first things first, let's go ahead and label this. And while I am labeling, I'm going to throw up what Chalk Couture is. So that way you guys can take a look at it. This always will tell you, if you've never watched any of my lives before, what Chalk Couture is. Okay, hi Billy, hi Steph. Chalk Couture is awesome. Totally changed my life. Completely life-changing, this company. It's been so good to me, and I'm so happy to be a part of it. So I want to make sure I throw it up there. Now let's go back to the video. There it goes. All right, now I labeled this as we need to because these transfers, as it said in the little write-up there, is that they are reusable over and over and over again. So we want to make sure that we label them correctly. Now, how I peel our transfers off, because these are a silkscreen material and they will stretch if you pull them incorrectly. So what I usually do is I hold it down and I pull the carrier sheet right off the transfer, and I'll just put it to the side. Now I'm good, babe. Thank you. I'm going to go ahead and fuzz this. I need to fuzz this because of the metal base and this transfer. It will stick like crazy mad. How'd you put that up on your live? It's through the video subscription, the video app that I use. It's called Switcher Studio. Hey, Deborah. Hi, Tiffany. How are ya? So all I'm going to do is I'm going to put this down and pull it up a few times, okay? This is just a microfiber towel. It'll help do that. Have you heard what's in the new? I have not heard what's in there. We don't even know the new products that are coming May 1st. We only know that they're summer, outdoor, beach, summer holiday themed. There's another thing that goes in there and I forget what it is. So I can't wait to see what it is. I am dying. But I do know that you will be getting the same amount of chalk paste, except you're getting 3-ounce sizes instead of the 2-ounce sizes. Hi, Amber. Hi, Anna. So that's pretty cool. Oh, Bryn, I went on YouTube. That's how I learned how to use it. I YouTubed it. I YouTube everything that I don't know how to work. That's just kind of how I roll. So, all right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try my best to get these down without any, and look, that worked out perfect. There's no bumps inside my silkscreen area. Whoopsie. Hold on. There's no bumps inside my silkscreen area. There is bumps on here, but it's not in the silkscreen area. So what we're going to do is, I'm probably only going to do a few of these. Hi, Amity. Hi, Renee. I saw a few sneak peeks. I did see them. Hey, Anna. Okay, so all I'm going to do is take my squeegee. This is a full squeegee cut in half. This is what the full squeegee looks like. This is the half of it. And I'm going to come in and I'm going to go along the silk screen. You don't have to do the entire area. You only have to do where there's openings, okay? So I'm just going to pull my transfer all across just like this, making sure I get all that excess off because we don't want to waste any, okay? And I'm just going to put some paw prints on here. How fun will this be for somebody that has a pet, right? Because we're going to bake this, okay? And that way it'll become permanent and you'll be able to wash it. Oh, that looks good. I like it. You guys see it? Oh, you see my reflection. I hope you can see it. There it goes. Maybe we'll only do 2 there and then 2 on the opposite side. I think that's what we're going to do. We're not going to go... Or, you know what we could do? We could go crazy with maybe just... Nah, we don't need to do that. We'll just go we'll go on opposite sides. Okay? Now, because there's already ink on this, you just want to be careful how you put it down. Okay? Because we obviously want to make sure that we get it back down correctly. Get all the excess off. Don't have any lines. Maybe we should do it all the way around. I don't know. We're going to see. We're going to see how this turns out. Okay. I'm just going to get all that excess off. I don't want any lines. And I think I did good there. Except for right there. Okay. Get our excess back into the container. Now I've got it all over my fingers, so I want to make sure. Hey, Jen. How are you, girl? Hi, Laura. Hi, Debbie. Hi, Anita. Hi, Lorraine. Hi, Shelly. Hi, Sabrina. Hi, Elise. Hi, Dan. Hi, Kathy. Hi, Dana. Hi, Christy. Hi, Judy. There you go. 4 paws. We got 4 paws on then. I'm glad it makes you happy, Jen. I'm thinking of you, girl. Hi, Debbie Green. Is there alphabets you could use to add the puppy's name? There certainly is. We just don't have a puppy, so I don't have anybody's name to put on there. Hello again, Judy. Hey, Deborah. Okay, so, and you know what? None of my alphabets are even close. I wonder, hold on, maybe I could while I let that sit. Let's see if I have any alphabets out. I can't touch that because I got ink on my fingers. How about, does it say dog on here? Hold on. I know this says be the person your dog thinks you are. I could put dog. I could just cover off the one piece. Hi, Brandy. Hi, Lorraine. I have a doggy. I must do this for him. Oh, there you go, Renee. Okay, how about we just put dog? That would be fun. So that way if you... Oh, I got to be careful. Oh, it's wet. Okay, hold on. I'm going to have to kind of fold it a little. How about we do it just like this? There it goes. I have to be careful because I obviously don't want this to flap down inside of that. Is that even? Kind of looks like it is, but I don't know. I'm probably going to regret doing that. There it goes. Okay, so we've got dog down now. And I just made a huge boo-boo. What did I not do? I did not fuzz this up. So let's just be super careful with this, huh? Go. Let's get the excess off. Don't want to waste any. Hi, Suzanne. Hi, Megan. Hi, Brandy. Hi, Simone. Hi, Jen. That turned out perfect. Hi, Kim. Hi, Colette. Thanks for joining, guys. Okay, so I got to put this down so I can close up shop with my beautiful, what's this, Midnight, right? Midnight Sky. Okay. Ugh. Hold on, I need a napkin. Stat, what'd I do with it? There it goes, because it's all over my fingers. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna heat this to dry it. And then to make it permanent, we have to bake it. Hi, Yvonne. Oh, this is perfect. You're funny, Renee. You are funny. Okay, so let's heat this up. Turned out perfect. Look how good that the lettering comes out. Now, don't do what I just did and put your hand behind it because it will get hot because it's metal. Yikes! That's hot. The paw prints just turned out perfect. They're so cute. Hold on, I gotta shut that off for 1 second. Yikes, that's getting hot. Ah, it is, Bryn. I've had it for a million years. Whew. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. I can't touch it. Oh my gosh, I'll hold it from over here now. I wish I was going to conventions. Aw, Renee, you're so sweet. If you're ever in New Jersey, look me up. I'd be happy to meet up with you. Convention's gonna be a great time. Holy hot Batman, hold on. Yikes, I need an oven mitt. Yikes, hold on, gotta put that down. Do not, if you have kids that want to make stuff with you, do not let them hold them during this part. Okay, now I'm a little leery of touching it. It is still a little wet. Whew. I'm in Utah, 25, what? Oh no, Renee. Well, you'll have to come up to where the hotel is at night and see if you can't, you know, meet some of us, you know? Hi, that's hot. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit, but I think this turned out super cute. We got little paw prints here. We got dog here. More paw prints here. Don't touch that part, Jess. So now all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna bake it in the oven. Hi, Jess. Hi, Brenda. Hi, Debbie. I'm gonna bake it in the oven. A cool oven. I'll put it up to 350 and let it go a half hour. And, oh, that didn't come off well. Well, we'll work on that. And then after that, it's going to be permanent. So that way you can wash it. Water can get all over it. It won't come off. Yes, Renee, I'm in. Count me in. Hi, Debbie. So that was it, guys. Super quick, super easy. What did I make this in? 3 minutes? It took longer for me to blow it dry. Paw prints, dog. More paw prints. You could put another set of rounds if you wanted. And then I use the Midnight Sky Couture Ink. And that's it. Call it a day. Going to heat it up next. So, very quickly, if you are interested in saying, you know what, I think I want to scoop up those two transfers, or that transfer rather, and that Couture Ink, I would like to maybe purchase this. So why don't you comment me down below, and I will message you the link to my VIP group. If after seeing me do this, you say, you know what, I could do that, and I would love to be a hobbyist, or I would love to try and make this a business, or I would love to create things and sell them in my Etsy store, why don't you comment join down below, and I will very happily message you the link to get into my opportunity group where you can hear all about the Chalk Couture opportunity. So that's it for me tonight, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you didn't catch Brand doing his live opening box of his munch pack, make sure you do that. It's the video right before this on my timeline. But I thank you so much for joining me. Oh, thanks, Maureen. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. And then I'll be after this one, I'm 195 YouTube videos, so then tomorrow's will be 196. I can't wait till I get 200 Chalk Couture videos. That'll be so amazing. What a feat. But that is it for me. I hope you guys have a great night, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!